Hello, this is the lecture number 1 for the chapter area of parallelograms and triangles for the class 9th. Now, the figures on this first topic is the figures on the same base and between the same parallel lines. Now, when the figures are said to be satisfying this condition on the same base and between the same parallel line, if they have a common base, that one of the side is common and the vertex or the vertices opposite to the common base, of each figure lie on the line parallel to the base. Let us take this. I am taking this figure. These two figures, that is a triangle and parallelogram, lie on the same base and lie on the line parallel to the base opposite to the base. This triangle ABE and parallelogram ABCD are on the same base and between the same parallel line. Let us take another. These again, they lie on the same base and between these two parallel lines. Again, they are on the same base and in the same parallel line. This is the question I am taking from the exercise 9.1. Another, let us take these. It is A, B, C, D, then that is R, and this is P, and this is Q. They are not on the same base because this base of this triangle is different from the base of this triangle. So these two figures are not on the same base and between the same parallel line. Let us take another. I have taken this. Now these figures, that is the A, B, Q, and this is D, and this is P and C. Now these two on the same base and between the same parallel lines, which is lie to the opposite side of the base. Let us take another. No, this is not on the same base and between the same parallel lines. These examples I am taking from the first exercise of your NCERT book. Let us take these. This is P, Q, R, S, D, C, B, A. Again, they not lie on the same base and between the same parallel line. Let us take another. Suppose I am taking this and this. So they lie on the same base, but they not lie on the parallel lines opposite to the base. And similarly, if you take this and this, their base is not same. So they not lie on the same base and between the same parallel lines. So this is the basics for what the figures, which figure lie on the same base and between the same parallel lines. After that, you have to do the theorem, one other theorem, that is the parallelogram on the same base and between the same parallel lines are equal in area. Theorem is parallelogram on same base and between parallel lines are equal in area. उनका area equal होता है. Let us take, I am taking this parallelogram and another parallelogram I am taking like this, A, B, E, D, and they lie on the same base and between these two parallel lines. And given क्या है इसमें, A, B, C, D, parallelogram A, B, C, D, and parallelogram A, B, E, D, A, B, E, D on same base, and parallel lines. So I will prove that the area of these two parallelogram is equal. Now first of all, I will prove that these two triangle, that is this triangle and this, and this side will be equal to this side. I'll prove it. I'll prove that these two triangles are congruent, and those figures which are congruent have equal area. So I'll prove that the triangle this is A B C D, A B C D E, A B E F. I'll take this at F. So area of a parallelogram ABCD and ABEF. This is F, and you have to prove that their area is equal. You have to prove that the area of parallelogram ABCD is equal to area of parallelogram ABEF. You have to prove that these two areas are equal. Now, how can I prove that? That in triangle DAF and triangle CBE, I'll prove that these two triangles are congruent. Now, AD is equal to BC, and angle DAF is equal to angle CBE. Because why they are equal? Because they lie on the AD is parallel to BC, and AF is parallel to BE. They lie on the these sides are the opposite side of the parallelogram, and they are lying between the these two parallel lines, and this AF is equal to BE, opposite side of the parallelogram, opposite sides of parallelogram. So what I have done, I have proved that these two triangles are congruent. When these two triangles are congruent, then the area of these two triangles DAF is equal to area of triangle this is CBE. इसको लिखते हैं हम congruent area axiom. Congruent area axiom. When the two figures are congruent, then their area is equal. Now I am adding area of ABCF both sides. If I add the area of this to this and this on both sides, so area of DAF plus area of ABCF is equal to area of triangle CBE plus area of ABCF. Now area of this plus area of this will be equal to ABCD, area of parallelogram ABCD, and area of this triangle plus this area of ABEF, area of parallelogram ABEF. So like this we can say that the area of parallelogram on the same base and between the same parallel line are equal in area. Area of the triangle on the same base and between the same parallel line are equal in area. After that there is a theorem to prove that the area of the triangle on the same base and between the same parallel line are equal in area. Area of triangle on same base and parallel lines with parallelogram is half the area of parallelogram. ट्राइंगल का और का एरिया पैरेललोग्राम के एरिया के हाफ होता है अगर वो हम सेम बेस एंड बिटवीन द सेम पैरेलल लाइन बना दें. Let us take this triangle and I'll have to prove that the area of triangle ABE is half the area of parallelogram ABCD. So given triangle ABE and parallelogram ABCD on same base AB and parallel lines. तो आपको प्रूफ क्या करना है यहाँ पर? You have to prove that area of triangle ABE is equal to half the area of parallelogram ABCD. parallelogram के एरिया के आधा होता है. Now what I'll do, I'll try to make the parallelogram ABFE so that BE will become the diagonal. And to prove that it is half the area of parallelogram, what I have to do, I'll prove that the area complete the parallelogram ABCF ABFE, मतलब हमने एक लाइन इस लाइन के पैरेलल बना ली. ठीक है, आप ध्यान से देखिए. जो इस ट्राइंगल का एरिया है, दिस इज द एरिया डायगोनल ऑफ द पैलोग्राम डिवाइड इनटू टू ट्राइंगल ऑफ इक्वल एरिया। तो ये जो एरिया है, एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ए बी ई इज इक्वल टू हाफ द एरिया ऑफ पैलोग्राम ए बी एफ सी, क्योंकि ये डायगोनल है बी ई इज डायगोनल ऑफ पैलोग्राम ए बी एफ ई। ये ए बी एफ ई का डायगोनल है, और डायगोनल जो है किसी पैलोग्राम को दो ट्राइंगल बांटता है जिनका एरिया इक्वल होता है। ये हमने लास्ट चैप्टर में करा था। नाउ एरिया ऑफ पैलोग्राम ए बी एफ सी इज इक्वल टू एरिया ऑफ पैलोग्राम ए बी सी डी। ए बी सी डी का एरिया और ए बी एफ ई का एरिया बराबर है, क्योंकि ऑन द सेम बेस एंड बिटवीन द सेम पैरेलल लाइन। सेम बेस एंड पैरेलल लाइंस। तो इस ट्राइंगल का एरिया इसके आधा है और ये वाला एरिया इस पैलोग्राम के आधा है। तो क्या लिख सकते हैं हम इससे? हम लिख सकते हैं देयरफॉर एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ए बी ई इज इक्वल टू हाफ द एरिया ऑफ पैलोग्राम ए बी सी डी फ्रॉम स्टेप नंबर 1 and 2. So like this we can say that the area of triangle is half the area of the parallelogram when on the same base and between the same parallel lines. This theorem will be used in most of the question, and when the area of the triangle on the same base and between the same parallel lines, ये भी हमें थ्योरम प्रूव करनी है। हमने थ्योरम सेकंड करी है। द ट्राइंगल का एरिया पूरे पैलोग्राम के हाफ होता है when on the same base and between the same parallel line. Now third is area of triangles on same base and parallel lines are equal in area. दो ट्राइंगल अगर हम बनाते हैं on the same base and between the same parallel line, एक हमने ये बना लिया ट्राइंगल, एक सपोज हमने ट्राइंगल क्या बना लिया, ए बी सी ट्राइंगल ले लिया, डी बी सी ट्राइंगल ले लिया। इन दोनों का एरिया बराबर करना है। तो गिवन क्या है? ट्राइंगल ए बी सी एंड ट्राइंगल डी बी सी ऑन सेम बेस बी सी एंड पैरेलल लाइंस, सपोज दिस इज लाइन एल। तो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू कंप्लीट अ पैलोग्राम। एक ये पैलोग्राम बनाना है ए बी सी ई, और एक पैलोग्राम बनाना है बी सी एफ डी। मतलब एक लाइन इस लाइन के पैरेलल बना लीजिए और एक लाइन इस लाइन के पैरेलल बना लीजिए। तो हमने हमें क्या प्रूव करना है एक्चुअली इसमें? यू हैव टू प्रूव दैट एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ए बी सी इज इक्वल टू एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल डी बी सी। हमने इसमें क्या कंस्ट्रक्ट करा? ड्रॉ द पैलोग्राम, A, B, C, E and parallelograms D, B, C, F। एक A, B, C, E पैलोग्राम बना लिया, एक D, B, C, F जो कि लाइन पैरेलल करके बन जाएगा। अब ध्यान से देखिए, एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल A, B, C किसके आधा है? हाफ द एरिया ऑफ पैलोग्राम A, B, C, E and area of triangle DBC is equal to half the area of parallelogram DBCF, because AD and AD आपका AB जो यहाँ पर डायगोनल, जैसे पैलोग्राम है आपका, ये इस पैलोग्राम डायगोनल, ये डायगोनल ऑफ, ये लिख सकते हैं डायगोनल of parallelogram, divide it into two triangles of equal area. तो अब इन दोनों पैलोग्राम का एरिया बराबर है। ये दो पैलोग्राम का ये वाला और ये वाला ऑन द सेम बेस एंड बिटवीन द सेम पैरेलल लाइन। एरिया ऑफ पैलोग्राम ए बी सी ई इज इक्वल टू ए बी सी ई is equal to area of parallelogram DBCF on the same base and parallel lines, same base and parallel lines। तो जब इन दोनों पैलोग्राम का एरिया बराबर है तो सीधी सी बात है, area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle DBC from step number 1, 2 and 3. तो हम ये कह सकते हैं इन दोनों ट्राइंगल का एरिया बराबर हो गया व्हेन ऑन द सेम बेस एंड बिटवीन द सेम पैरेलल लाइंस. So these are some theorems, that is area of parallelogram on the same base and between the same parallel line are equal in area. Area of triangle is half the area of the parallelogram when on the same base and between the same parallel lines, and area of triangle on the same base and between the same parallel line are equal in area. So these are the theorems, so you have to learn it and you have to prove it, and which will be used in the coming exercise. We'll continue the next lecture. Thank you.